My name is Dr. Prasad. I am therapy in charge of Hope Trust. Today we are here at this medical and lifestyle exhibition to help the society to have complete awareness about the disease of addiction. At our institute, we deal with this disease in a holistic manner, wherein we not only help the alcoholic or the addict, but also the suffering family members who are called as codependents. If the person suffering with addiction runs around his substances, either alcohol or drugs, the family members, in trying to contain him or save him, they get addicted to running around him most of the time. This disease specifically affects the children more intensely than the adults. This disease of addiction's main characteristic feature is denial. Denial is a state of mind of the alcoholic and at times even the family members where they cite different reasons by blaming, justifying, rationalizing, or even intellectualizing in the simple process of not accepting that as alcohol or drug addiction, which carries a social stigma, is responsible for their problems, but they blame it on people, places, and situations. Accordingly, they all fall prey to this number 4 killer of the planet disease called disease of addiction. Whenever an alcoholic or an addict is come across at a society, they are looked down upon or left out or rejected upon. But people don't realize this is not just a habit, but it is a complete disease which affects the physical aspect, the mind, and also the emotional and a spiritual aspect called the value system. And the damages in all these areas results in a complete breakup of relationships, affecting the functionality of the family altogether. At the same time, this is like any other disease. As we deal with a disease called diabetic or we deal with a disease called cancers, the same way here, there may not be permanent cure, but these diseases are treatable and manageable with a complete World Health Organization recommended holistic approach which we follow at Hope Trust. The holistic approach includes a complete physical help where the doctors will take care of the physical health, then a psychiatrist who cares of the mental problems or any psychiatric issues resultant out of this addictive process, and then a 12-step therapy program which is WHO recognized and one of the most successful programs which has been helping at different dependency problems. It's not only substance abuse but also helps in dealing with gambling, sex addictions, alcoholism, etc. The treatment approach takes at different levels. On a OPD basis, the patient is suggested out some and mechanisms wherein he will be dealt with a psychiatrist or a psychotherapist and asked to follow up with attending 12-step meetings. A patient who is unable to do it on his own on the OPD basis is then recommended to attend in-house programs as conducted at our institutions for a period of 100 days or so. Depending on his recovery and depending on his willingness, the patient is also subject to a simple psychotherapy process along with other approaches positively helping him to deal with his problems